Is your 2019-2023 Hyundai Sonata key fob not working reliably? It's likely time for a new battery. These models use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Purchase a new CR2032 battery, ensure it is not expired, which typically costs $2 to $5 online or at auto parts stores like AutoZone or O'Reilly. Work in a well-lit, static-free area. Gather your tools and new battery before beginning. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at an electronics store. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam near the keyring hole and gently pry the fob open. Carefully separate the two halves. Locate the CR2032 battery, often held by a plastic tab. Use the screwdriver to lift out the old battery, noting its orientation positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Firmly snap the fob halves back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly oriented and the fob is fully closed. Dielectric grease can be applied to protect against moisture. If issues persist, consult your Hyundai owner's manual or seek professional assistance.